Hello Javi, thank you for your questions and thank you for your support. Right now I will share with you some tips how to use the SuperTrend Double Expert Advisor. The first thing is use those settings, right? Try to avoid lower than 50. Use higher time frames. It's better for calculating statistics and the optimizer don't take too much time to calculate it. Right now I will show you the optimization so you can check the fast genetic based algorithm. And here in the options, try those settings. Share with you this configuration so you don't have to type anything right now. Try those new two options. I have included inverse the fast signal and inverse the slow signal. So if you inverse the fast signal, you will buy the dips. Try those both options and see for yourself. And I have included also two new metrics, sharp and stagnation, and relative profit sharp stagnation. Very good stuff, man. And what more, I have done some optimization, and those are the results. Very good results using the metric profit, high profit, low stagnation. And I will run the backtest for you. It's a very good act line. The backtest results are good too. And try it by yourself, man. Try it, optimize this system for other markets, and I am very sure you will find amazing act curves. And check this number too, the stagnation in day, and you can see it. Just do a optimization, change the metric for stagnation in days, and for example here in max trades per day I will just do one stopping two, just to run two optimization. And what I will find here is the best system has 149 days in stagnation. Worst part of the trade, the system was trading and losing money for this period, right? The drawdown period. So enjoy. I hope you liked the video, and please review my software as good. Thank you for your support, man. See you soon. Bye bye.